Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very quick unboxing, something that just came in that I was asked to take a look at. So let's take a look at this. Today I'm opening up with my Luft Concepts RWB. Really great knife. I got that at Blade Show, Texas. Trying to keep my information covered up. Hopefully I didn't have to cut through here really quick. Alright. Nice sticker. Any other little goodies in there? No? But lots of peanuts. We'll save those. Those are great to ship in. We got BladeHQ Knife Life. Nice sticker. I don't have that one yet, so definitely pretty cool. Alright, so this is Luft Concepts as well. And another Luft Concept sticker. Very cool. A nice little microcloth. Like those. What do we have here? All right, this right here is their, oh man, what is this called? I wanted to check this out. This is the, hold on a second. All right, I'm back. This is the Avant. This is the Avant. This was one of their first designs. I believe the steel on this one is... Do I have the steel on this one? I've got to look it up. I am terrible. I don't have any information. There was nothing included, so I think it was M390, if I'm not mistaken. Does have the wire clip reversible. This is the carbon fiber. Looks like the marbled or shredded carbon fiber. This is a hollow grind. Yep, definitely nice and crowned on the top. Action's pretty nice. Flips well. There's no jimping on here, but it does have a little edge, which is just enough to get your finger in there and keep it on there. Reverse flicking is really nice. I like this sort of pseudo Tonto sort of blade. Comes with a nice thick tip there. Nice utilization there. It got a nice back spacer. But we also have something here that I thought we would also put on the knife as well. So, what do we have in here? Some more stickers. Nice. Nice. For sure. Okay. Some more stickers. We'll include some of these. I might keep one here. I don't know. I like that one. So I might keep one of those. I'll put this off to the side here. So we have something very interesting here that we're going to put on this thing. And we may put some skiffs on there as well. Another sticker. Cool. Alright, so this is some Timascus, if you could see that. That's beautiful. So let's put that on. I hope I have some skiffs for this. I did order some more because I was running low. I might put that on there. Oh, there's the Timascus. And then I also bought, and I'm hoping the wire Spyderco clip from Ripp's Garage Technology fits because this would complement the black, so we're going to put that on there as well. All right, so we're gonna kind of make this a little fancy. So let's go ahead and take this guy apart. Let's see, is it a fit? Is it a fit? Please be a fit. Come on, it's real close. I might. Yeah, we might sand that a little bit so we can get it in there. Let's see. Ooh, don't take off on me. Captive pivot, which is nice. I think that is. Alright, so these go right on like that. And then goes down at the bottom here like that. Let's see, what size do these take? Look like maybe 5mm. 5mm. Does have a little ramp. That's nice. A little heavyweight nano oil on the detent hole, the ramp. There you go. Man, it's warm in here. The oil's coming out fast. All right, let's see if we can get this on there. If it's leveled up. How close is it to fitting? .276. All right, to explain what I'm doing is I'm filing off the edges here very carefully because I don't want to take off the black anodization. I just want it enough where it can seat into the grooves here. And I feel like I'm close, but not quite. And I just don't want to rub it too much, right? This is very exhausting on your fingers. Getting there, but man, boy, ooh, might not be able to finish this in time for the live stream. Need a better file. This is tiring. This is really hard micro filing. There's probably better tools out there for this, but I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Don't ruin it right at the end. Come on. So I wanted to bring in some of the pictures that I took of the knife after I finished it, which is after the video and after the live stream. As you can see, the Ripp's Garage Technology titanium Spyderco wire clip when it's filed down, fit in pretty well. It looks pretty nice. I had to file down the screw as well, make sure it fit in. Unfortunately, I did scuff up the screw pretty good, so I sent an email to Luft Concepts to see if I could buy an extra screw. I'm hoping they have one, or if not, I can find one somewhere. But I did blacken it out with a, with a permanent marker, but I don't know if that's going to hold. But I like it. I like it a lot. I like it with the Timascus on the back of it, and I like it with the titanium clip. I think it just looks really, really nice. All right, we're going to come back to this because I got to finish up here. Got a live stream tonight, so there's no way my OCD really wants to finish this, and it's driving me nuts, but we're going to have to just put it on hold, or I'm going to miss the live stream. All right, so as you can see, it's going to work. I may have to find another screw, though. I think I ended up, unfortunately, scratching the back of that screw, so that's a bummer. All right, we'll save some of these. We'll save this, this, and this. Put this over here to the side. All right, put this away. We'll have to work on this a little bit later. We're almost there. I wonder how close we are. Last measurement, see how close we are. We're much closer than what I thought we were. It's good. It's good. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who subscribes. I very much appreciate you guys so very much. And if you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content. And then also, big thank you to all my channel members out there. I sure do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you guys have been interested and maybe want to become a channel member, I would love to have you. Please don't ever feel obligated, but if you do, there's a link in the description down below. I have 3 different tiers. It's a small way for me to say thank you. I do once a month members giveaway. I usually make a very nice members giveaway because people are usually so generous with the memberships. And as long as we keep doing that, I'm going to make sure it's a very nice knife. And also, if you're a brand new channel member and you haven't asked me already and you're still a member, or if you've been a channel member and you're still a member now, but you've never asked before and you've never gotten a channel sticker, email me at my email address and provide your name and address, and I'll mail you a sticker. It's my small way to say thank you. Sure do appreciate you guys so very much. And if you haven't already, maybe check me over out at Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.